Good news mga Makati peeps! Andito na yung favorite at authentic Middle Eastern Mediterranean food na nag-umpisa sa Quezon City. Another day, another chacha. This is Mr. Kebab, located at Emilia Street Corner, Bautista in Makati. Spacious ang parking, wala siyang aircon, open air dining. Full house siya almost every day. Marami rin nag-o-order na pwede mong i-reheat at home. Suki na ako sa Fisher Mall branch pero nung narinig ko nag-open sa Makati, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip, dinala ko dito yung family para matry. First dish is yung Nargesi Spicy Spinach with Egg. Parang ito yung version nila ng laing minus the coconut milk. Next, we ordered their meat platter. Kompleto na to. May lamb, may beef, may chicken. At may kasama na ring basmati rice. Masarap siya. Ito na yung bago kong favorite. And first time namin tinry yung saluyot soup. Medyo maalat lang siya for me. Napansin ko na meron na silang pizza oven dito. So we ordered the classic cheese pizza. In fairness, masarap siya at mura pa. 340 pesos lang. And for dessert, pinili namin ng ube custard cake. Not too sweet and masarap siya. And perfect siya sa coffee. We are very happy and satisfied. Definitely, we will come back to try out other